Hello everybody, welcome back to the MCM Outdoors. So today we're going to be doing a walk in the woods with a hot chocolate and some prime. For Christmas I got a Fjordhaven Kanken bag.
It's really nice that, Emily.
Yep.
I like that. That is ridiculous.
Don't say anything, you got two as well.
I got two. Daddy, I'm standing on the ice.
You got your mitts on as well, haven't you?
Yeah, you got Normark mitts.
Good mitts. So we're just having a little winter walk
The secret was
with a meth spirit burner. We're going to have a little hot chocolate,
it's gonna be
have some lunch in the woods.
It's a secret woods.
Some lunch in the woods. Whoa. It is very slippy that, Emily, don't go on it. And then go home and warm up. We brought the Kestrel, haven't we, Emily?
Yeah.
And the winds chill. Tom, what was it?
It was like
Minus 2.1. Emily's Kanken. She wants to talk to you about that later on.
Yep.
Iconic rucksack, isn't it?
Yep. And it's the rare colours.
The rare colours. So tell us about your bag, Emily.
So I got a Fjordhaven Kanken bag for Christmas, or Father Christmas, because when I went to the Lake District, I saw it there and I wanted to get it, but it was too much money. So then I asked for it on my Christmas list, and Daddy took a picture of it, and on Christmas Day I got it.
Lucky girl.
It's one of the rare colours.
8, 9, and we can tell how cold it is because the wind chill. Look at that. Minus 2.3, 2.6, 8, minus 2.8. That is, it feels that cold. What do you think about that?
very cold for
Yeah.
toes.
One thing that might be hard today is lighting the stove because we've only got matches. Erik Normark style. We're a big fan of his, aren't we, Emily?
Yeah.
We like watching his videos, really good,
Yeah.
very mindful. So we've got some matches
He doesn't use a phone.
to try and, well, Emily wants to have a go. It's quite hard to do. Anyone ever watched them, he's quite particular in how he strikes a match downwards in like a cupped hand, sheltering it from the wind. So we'll see, we'll have a go. But it's nice to be out, even if it's just a little local walk, making the most of a bit of ice and a wintry feel before soon it'll be spring because all the bulbs are coming up, aren't they?
Yeah.
So won't be long till the daffodils and the snowdrops and the bluebells are out.
I did the end of it.
Well, I got a big jackpot.
Oh my.
That is
Chocolate milkshake.
Oh wow.
I want a chocolate milkshake. I got a jackpot.
Why don't they make a stop sound down there?
We just saw a blue tit. There's many birds that make up the tit family, isn't there? Can you name any tits, Emily? A blue?
Great tit.
Great tit. Can you name any members of the tit family, Tom?
There's a tiny little blue tit.
What about a long-tailed tit?
Then you've got your little, your long-tailed tits. Then you've got your grey tit as well.
And coal tits?
Yeah, even the cold tits.
So there's lots of tits in the tit family?
Lots of tits in the tit family. Very lot.
Thank you.
Good manners. There you go. So the stove we've got on this one, we can try and open it one-handed. I can't remember the exact name. I think it's the Bushbox Ultralight, and it's sort of like stamped. It's definitely not titanium. It may well be titanium. I don't know. I can't remember. It's been a while since I've had it. You just slot it together, and it holds a Trangia burner. And we've got a Trangia 27 kettle. We're going to make a hot chocolate and boil up some water to make a hot chocolate with on that. Nice and thin, really slim package, and it weighs next to nothing. Just fit in your shirt pocket if you wanted to. So we'll get it together, get some meths in. That wind chill is really biting. Do you want to smell it? Smell that meths?
Ooh.
I think it's a nice smell.
It smells like whiskey.
It doesn't smell like whiskey. Whiskey, have you ever smelled like that?
None.
Out of date whiskey.
So we'll get this lit, which will be a challenge. I'm going to put that, there we go, like that. We've got a windshield if we need, but hopefully we won't. We'll see how it goes.
Well, can I just do it the normal way?
Yeah. And your hands on the way. Good girl.
Can I do a try?
So, because the children are obsessed with a plastic bottle of juice, I too have bought a plastic bottle of juice that says Prime Hydration on a plastic wrapper on the plastic bottle of juice, and we'll see what it's like.
Does that say plastic bottle?
There's a big crowd queuing up for this plastic bottle of juice,
Don't say plastic.
so we'll see what the plastic bottle of juice tastes like.
Don't say plastic.
First of all, it's very difficult to open the plastic bottle of juice.
It's tropical, which I've never.
On the nose, it smells highly artificial and sickly.
He likes it.
Oh,
I can tell, Daddy.
it's very sweet, isn't it?
That's like sherbet dib dabs. You know, the pink sherbet in a dib dab. It's like that times 100 concentration. Mixed it with water and drinking that and going, oh wow, I've got a plastic bottle of juice.
Well, Daddy, do you like it?
Concentrated coconut water.
Daddy, do you like it?
10.5.
£2 for a plastic bottle. I'm not going to say it again, but you know,
Stop saying plastic bottle of juice.
Out of
Daddy,
10.
can I put that in here?
not yet.
Out of 10.
6. That's true. It's true. I don't see what the hype's about. You know my views on it. Case closed.
So now I'm just going to put in this instant hot chocolate powder in. It smells super nice.
So there's a bit of chill on the wind, isn't there, children?
Yeah.
Air temperature.
Lots of it.
Yeah, if we look at the wind chill, 0.3, 0.4. Yeah, you certainly feel that on your hands, don't you, when they're exposed. Nice little hot chocolates do as well. It's not a stove when you're short of time, the old Met, is it? Right, Emily, mind out the way. You give that a good stir.
Like I do all the time.
Be careful it doesn't spill. One hand, maybe hold the cup. Put your hand around it, that's it.
Pretty good taste.
Good soup.
I bring back the old memories. Remember the video when I went like this? I've got some lemonade, let me try it.
It's a good soup.
Pretty good taste. Yeah.
Thanks for coughing all in it. It's gross. God's sake. It's hideous.
I just had air in your mouth. Oh, my hands are so nice and warm. Warm hands.
A holy moment.
We're going to get back and warm up. Hope you've enjoyed watching this little video. Check out the back catalogue. It's very cold. Cold hands. Tom's got cold feet.
I
So
have as well.
we're going to warm up on the walk back and then get the heating on. So thanks for watching. Check out the back catalogue and go and enjoy the great outdoors yourself too.
Bye.
Bye.
Now you can say it.
Prime check!
Mic check!